Vâng, xin chào quý vị và các bạn trở lại với tạp chí Nghe Nhìn Việt Nam. Và nhân dịp khai trương Ongaku Audio, nhà phân phối độc quyền của KONDO Audio Note tại Việt Nam, thì tạp chí Nghe Nhìn Việt Nam cũng rất là vinh hạnh có dịp được trò chuyện phỏng vấn với lại ông Masaki Ashizawa, CEO của KONDO Audio Note, để đem tới quý vị và các bạn một vài những cái khám phá thêm nhiều những cái thông tin chi tiết được chia sẻ từ chính CEO của KONDO. There are a number of other audio company that also use the silver in their equipment. So what makes KONDO use of silver different?
So it is already well known. So we are the pioneer to use a silver into the audio. But already there is some company who use silver into the audio. But the main difference is, I think, we use, of course, silver, but not only use silver, but also we have very high sound tuning skill. Can I briefly explain about how to make the silver? We use the silver, of course, using for the transformers or silver capacitors, but this is just the material. And of course, we can buy from the supplier, but we order to specific high-skill manufacturer to make the silver, especially for us. And for example, the wire is also we control the hardness of the silver itself. It is quite important for the sound reproduction. And how to use a silver? I mean, for example, making the silver cables. So the core material is, of course, silver. Some other material like isolation. Mainly we use PVC. How to cover silver to isolate is also the important. Sometimes we use silk wounding on the core, so it is also isolate to between the isolation material. This is made from mainly the chemical, and between the shielding and the core. So the silk is one of the key material in order to do that. But also it is also controlling the vibration. This kind of controlling to get good sounding reproduction is also our skill. Already accumulated more than 30-40 years. The designing of the circuit is one of the most important things. But if we make the amplifier using the same circuit, who design or who make the actual products is the finally quite big difference in sound. A part of the sound tuning skill is one of our main job. For example, the 1 year we have to develop the amplifier, but the basic design, I mean circuit design, construction design, chassis design, so maybe this is the 30 or 40% of the whole developing. We spend more than half, or 60%, 70%, we spend our effort to tune the sound. Maybe this is the biggest difference, I believe, the difference between us and the other amplifiers.
What special component make KONDO products different?
Special means important. So this is quite tough question because I cannot say so what is the most important part, because as I explained you before, And the difference between our amplifier and the other amplifier is mainly, I think, the tuning skill. And considering to the sound reproduction, and make it balance from the bass to the high frequency, or depth, or wideness, everything should be balanced. Is I think quite important. So that's why what I want to say is I can't say what is the most important part. So every part is important maybe, but how to make or blend on the combination of each part is most important. And we always try to listen and edit. If I explain about technical point of view, static components is almost three: resistor, capacitor, and inductance coil. Especially capacitor, we just say capacitor, but the many variety of capacitor, even the electrolytic capacitor, so we have many. I mean, many means many brand, many specifications. But of course, if I consider to the specific part of the circuit, so it must need this value or the components. But we can choose thousands of capacitors. And of course, we pick up from the market already from the specification first. Same value, but the different voltage is already sound difference. We choose 10 or 20 kinds of capacitors, and we test one by one to get our satisfaction, or to get suitable sound.
It's now that KONDO Audio Note developed its own component through the golden ear to recreate the pinnacle of music. So what is the golden ear for KONDO?
The golden ear, so of course one part is how to listen and how to judge the sound difference A and B. Just get the difference, the sound quality or sound A and B is if we training a bit, so maybe everyone can get. So, but one step after we get the difference between A and B, we have to choose or judge which is better. So this is a bit more subjective. What is better sound? So therefore, always listen to the music. And we have specific songs, 3-4 songs, continually using from the generation Mr. KONDO's. Almost we use some songs more than 30-40 years. We continually use this song to judge. Fortunately, our old products, for example, M7 or Ongaku, already get a good reputation from over the world. And we spent quite a long time with Mr. KONDO to share the music taste. So this is also another kind of training. How to judge the difference, the sound A and B, and also in the same time we need how to get the emotion or how to feel the music is rather important. And recently I have a good designer, Mr. Hirokawa. Of course now we always share kind of music taste, of course during listening to the music. I think this kind of process is continually keeping from the first generation. Fortunately, our recent all of products we got the Grand Prix award. This is also our confidence to judge our listening skill is not wrong.
What improvement have KONDO Audio Note new products in recent years as compared to before?
First of all, let me explain the whole KONDO products. So, of course, the first generation at the Mr. KONDO's period, so he create quite a lot of original components. I mean, the silver capacitor and the silver transformer. To me, he is very artist. So he create something and apply to the amplifier. So finally, the amplifier get a good sound. He is always trying to get the new idea into the amplifier. That's why every product fortunately have a good sound. But sometimes this direction very good, and sometimes a bit different direction, but quality is very high. And that's why every product has quite good reputation, especially from the Europe or US. We shift a little bit more a different way to develop. We will set the target of the products, including the price, construction, spec, and of course including the tonal character. In order to get that tonal character, so we start to think how we can do. And if we have suitable or enough quality component, so of course we search or looking for from the market, but unfortunately sometimes we can't get from the market. Then we start make our own component. This is also our main work recently.
Criteria has Ongaku Audio made to become a distributor of KONDO Audio Note, and what do you expect from the partner in Vietnam?
So of course, when I met Mr. Zap, I feel he is a very honest person, very reliable. So of course, this is the judge point to choose the Ongaku Audio. Personally, I feel similar character as me. I believe the Vietnam is one of the potential market. After talking with him, so we feel his passion into the audio, and I also feel the same philosophy he has, and I believe he is the one who transfer our thought to the people in Vietnam. This Wednesday, I came Vietnam and come to the two showrooms Ongaku Audio, and already most of the products has installed, and the result was happy. So please, everybody, come to the Ongaku Audio to listen and enjoy music through the KONDO. This is my expectation to Ongaku Audio to invite a lot of audiophiles in Vietnam to experience the KONDO products and sound.
Thank you very much for interview.
Thank you very much for having a chance to